Hi guys, look what I found in the garage. I think this was supposed to have been thrown out and I kept it because I thought I might be able to pinch the LEDs out of it. I've just taken the batteries out of it. They're wet, they've leaked. But I put some fresh batteries in it and I was surprised. It does actually work. It's faulty, but it does work. And get it in. Right. Oh, yeah, that's the battery cover. Okay, well, it did work. Oh, there we go. I'll just turn those lights off. Get a bit more of an effect. You will notice that end is faulty. So, where's that button? There. I do like the way that it does work in sequence, so you get the light going up the lightsaber, or whatever we call it. I've just had a thought. I'm going to try and film that in ultra high speed. I don't know if it'll manage it in this low light condition. So we've played with it and it works, and there's something faulty at this end. So if I can get it apart, and it does look fairly straightforward. We can have a look inside. You can see it's been fairly well abused or used. I don't suppose it is abuse if you're using it for the purpose it's designed for, fighting. Is that going to come apart now? So there we are. Circuit board. We'll go in a bit closer and have a look at that in a second. Microphone. Yeah, it looks like that just slides up the inside there. So that's simple enough. And that's the one that works. So this is the one that's broken. Oh, that's a bit easier. Where's that button again? There. might be a break just there. Right, we'll go in close up. Yeah, that looks to me like that's broken just there. So I can probably solder across there with a bit of wire, and that'll fix that, probably. And just have a little look here at what we've got. On the back of it, clearly there's a momentary switch that pushes up against. Other than that, there's not going to be anything to see because it's all in that black blob. Yeah, that's our push switch. Looks like we've got a capacitor and a resistor on the back there. But that's it. So we're not going to learn anything looking at that. So I'll get me, oh, and that's the speaker. So I'll get my soldering iron out and see if we can put a little link across there. Before I solder it, I'll just test it. So if I just put my needle nose pliers across those two, so I've got a bit of wire here. I'm going to scrape the green covering, the shellac or whatever it is, off the printed circuit and solder that along it. That should give it a bit of strength at the same time, because that's just a bit of paper clip I've cut to length. Right, put a little bit of soldering paste over it where I've cleaned it. You can probably see that I've cleaned it along here. Right, so hopefully that will have given it extra strength going right the way along like that. Not my neatest bit of soldering. Right, see if we can get it back together. Going a bit further. All the wires in, out of the way, that way around. Those holes different sizes. Yeah, I reckon there's different sizes. Yes, they are. Oh, much bigger on that side. Okay, tidy the wires again. Yep, that fits on there. That wire's sticking out, we don't want that. Come on. Yes, it's never going to be a good looking one again. Right. I expect it's probably that way up, isn't it? So your thumb goes there. Oh, I love that. Yeah. Well, that was a bit of a surprise. I thought that was absolute junk and it had been dumped on me. Just needed a little bit of soldering, fresh batteries, and it's a worker. I wonder how much they were originally. I'm not seeing any identification on it. Oh, there's something written there. Yeah, made in China. There's a surprise. Yeah, well, there you go. Clever little bit of circuitry in that little black blob to give it the whatever you want to call that effect. Running lights. Yeah, lovely. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.